onboarding them as fast as possible. Okay. This sale broker also intends to deliver the transaction and trading process as quickly as possible. They do all they can to be outstanding and help their clients have excellent bargains or currency price. Okay, so now we pros and cons. Having negative and positive futures is a typical event for all brokers of forex. In other words, you cannot find a broker without any weak points. If so, you better double the reliability or that broker. So it is also true about the broker of forex. Voice is discarded here since its advantages are more than its disadvantages. Okay, it is better to introduce the benefits of the broker first. Okay, here is now the benefits. Okay, so the popularity which this broker has gained must be because of logical, perfect reason. It could prove to all the traders that they can trust this financial forex service source and open an account there. If you are curious about these benefits, it is better to mention advantages such as, okay, here is the advantage. The the low minimum deposit, it's just $10. Larger maximum profits hoist up to 90% of the winning. Okay, it's nice. Yeah. Extraordinary platforms hoist are easy to use. In addition to desktop access, there is highly qualified mobile access. Okay, several education and trading materials for improving the trader's knowledge. No competition for deposit and return of money. Large bonus. Personal account manager. Excellent tools for the analyze part of the forex trading. Verify of founding option. Satisfying customer service. Drawbacks. That is, it is. Yeah. The downfalls of expert option are much less than the benefits that if you trading. Disney is not bound to these weak points. There is no need to worry about them. Okay. The first weak point of the broker of forex is the lack of US currency for transaction. So, if you want to trade with US currency, forget this broker. The other negative point of the forex broker is short-term option that is not suitable for traders interested in long-term transaction and investments. The broker of expert option is not regular, it's not in Europe, and unfortunately, it doesn't support some two important trading platforms such as MetaTrader. Also, it is entirely up to you to decide that with such facts and drawbacks. Is this forex broker appropriate for you? However, maybe you are still in doubt. In this sense, you will better become more familiar with this future of this broker in details. So go through the next part which explain its other like the platform used by the broker.